Hello everyone, welcome to yet another interesting video. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 AI tools that we all have to live with. And these tools, if used correctly, will increase the productivity of you by 10x. So let us understand when to use these tools, what are the circumstances and all. So I'm going to talk about 5 tools that are, evolving and, around that everyone is, looking forward. So first one is ChatGPT. Right, so we all know this was the first AI application that was introduced into the market, and it became an instant, hit. Then we got, multiple AI products from different, teams. We got Perplexity, then we have got Copilot, and the latest one that is, trending is Claude, and then we have Windsurf. So we're going to see how each one of this will help us and when to use this. Okay, so do not skip the video. Let us stay in the end. So first one is ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is like, uh, if at all you want to do any deep thinking, you can use a ChatGPT for that. Okay, so I'm also going to give you an example when to use and all. Perplexity is basically for research. Okay, so instead of, you're going to do a research on, 10 tabs and, summarize, then instead of that, you can simply use Perplexity. What is GitHub Copilot? Like it is your development. Okay, so if you want to, build your code or complete your, incomplete code or write some functions, then you can use Copilot. What is Claude? Claude is for clean writing or, editing your PDFs or summarizing documents. For all of that, you can use Claude application. Windsurf is like your friend. He's like your developer. It's like an IDA, integrated development and a platform where you can develop applications from the scratch. So this is a little overview of each of the applications, right? So I'm going to take you through examples one by one. Okay. So first, like I said, ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Consider it as your thinking partner. You want to start a business, you can ask, ChatGPT to give me what are the list of, top trending business ideas. So it will give you an end-to-end ideas, what are working, what is not working. Like say you are preparing for system design interview, so you can ask like, I am preparing for an interview, give me some questions or say give me some answers. So it is purely, it is considered, ChatGPT is like your smart friend who explains things deeply, not just like, Google answers. So that is your ChatGPT. It is your thinking. So if at all you want to get ideas, you can reach out to ChatGPT. So this is one tool that we all have been using extensively. But I would say, we are here to play around AI tools, and that is the path forward for all the developers who are in the market as of now. We have to live with it. We have to use it. We have to evolve using it. Okay. So in this channel, I'm trying to focus more on AI because that is where we are moving forward. So in the coming videos, you will see how we can leverage that. So second is, your Perplexity. What is Perplexity? Like I said, Perplexity is like, research assistant. You want to know the latest AI trends. So, instead of researching, 10 tabs in Google's, all you can do is, ask, simply, uh, Perplexity, what are the latest AI tools released in 2026 with resources. It will give you a complete document with verified answers, and you are saving a lot of time. Okay, so this is thinking. You want to start something, you can start thinking from here. You want a concrete, defined answer, with the verified answers, then you can always reach out to Perplexity. Next is Claude. Claude is document expert. Okay, you got a 50-page script. You want to interview preparation. So instead of doing this, you can simply give it to Claude and you can ask it to summarize. Okay, and you can do more on that also. So this is evolving. This is also does development and all. So next is most important for us is Windsurf. It's kind of your AI developer. Okay, so we spoke about uh, ChatGPT. We spoke about Perplexity. We spoke about Claude, and then we are talking about, Windsurf. Windsurf is like, your developer. Earlier, if at all you had any doubts, you used to, speak to your, co-worker who is sitting next to you and ask him, "Arey, I'm not able to debug this. How should I do?" But gone are those days. Now you are constantly talking to an AI agent and asking him to fix the code that you have developed. So that is how the trend is evolving, right? So earlier, when we want to navigate to some location from A to B, we used to reach to some point called as y and ask people who are there, like how to go from here and all. So that was the path forward, right? But now after Google Maps introduced, there is no point of asking anyone, no matter what the destination is. You simply type in and you reach the destination. Same like this Windsurf. It's like your complete development environment that you can use. But it is telling is very easy. How are you passing each prompt to this is very important. AI is smart, okay, or AI is dumb. It all depends on the prompt that you are being. So it amplifies whatever you are giving it as an input. So if you're giving it a smart command, it will increase the smartness of it, and it will perform you better. But if you're giving it a dumb, then it will make the application a dumber application. Okay, so we all need to evolve around this prompting more than using AI applications. So that would be our next video, so stay tuned. Okay, so what does Windsurf does? It creates multiple files. It connects to your back end, the front end. It basically does all the job of a developer. Okay, so consider Windsurf is like a developer sitting next to you to build the project with you. Simple. Okay, you can treat this as a friend. Okay, so I'm going to give you a statement. ChatGPT helps you think. Perplexity helps you research. Copilot helps you code faster, whereas Claude help you document and understand, whereas Windsurf help you to build an application from scratch. So Windsurf is where we can deploy agents. We can create. You might have heard agents. So AI agents are going to take over the world, right? So you will see implementations of AI agents everywhere in every project that you are going to do in your near future. Okay, so if you want a dedicated video on how to create agents, do comment it in the comment section. And if at all you want a video on how to give a better prompt, also give it in the comment section. I'll try to make a video on that. So that is example of how we can use these AI applications to use and become 10x more productive. So again, to summarize, you need ChatGPT. If at all you need deep thinking and structured outputs. Perplexity, you need latest information, verified resources. GitHub Copilot, you're actively coding it, and your strength is reasoning plus clarity of ChatGPT. Whereas Perplexity, it is real time plus accurate citations. Whereas raw coding. Okay, ChatGPT is not an IDE. Okay, so you'll not see that. So that's why you see after using other applications, you will see that okay, ChatGPT is not that effective. Maybe you use ChatGPT for a few days, you use Perplexity for a few days, and you use Copilot for a few days. So you will understand the nature of output of each of these applications. Okay, so I feel Windsurf is more better compared to any of this. But only thing is we need to use a better model. Okay, that is the next, what you call next thing that everyone is focusing on. What is the model that you are trying to use to build your applications? So there are basic, applications like say, we have Amazon Prime or Hotstar or Netflix we have. So without subscriptions, they might give you some only maybe the first, uh, what you call video of a series, right? But if at all you want to use or watch all the videos of the series, then you have to subscribe. That is the model that we are evolving in. If at all you want to use an application freely, you'll have a limited model that is developed with limitations. But if at all you want an advanced model with with the deep LLMs, and it's, everything in advanced coding better, effective, then you have to purchase that. So that is all this AI model is evolving, and that is how the revenue is being generated behind this. Okay, so that's about the five products, and so this is how top 1% of engineers in the world today are using and and are getting job or landing in the job. So Perplexity use it for research, ChatGPT is for thinking, Windsurf is for development, Copilot is for faster development, and Claude is for reviewing and everything. Okay, so ChatGPT makes you think, Copilots make you fast, Windsurf builds with you, Perplexity keeps you updated, and Claude keeps everything. Okay, so in short, this is how we can uh, think about AI tools and we can use. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can write better prompts and increase the output of a generic statements. So stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.